What happens if you never stop coughing? Minute 5. Your chest is burning. Each cough feels like sandpaper rubbing on your throat. Hour 1. Your ribs ache, your head pounds. You can't catch a full breath, and panic starts creeping in. Hour 6. Your voice is gone, muscles in your stomach cramp from the force. Every cough feels deeper, wetter. Hour 12. You're dizzy from lack of sleep. Tiny blood vessels burst in your eyes. Breathing becomes a fight. Hour 18. You cough up blood and your body starts shutting down. And then one cough doesn't stop, because your lungs finally do.